Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video, I'm going to talk about homeopathic medicine, which is helpful in the treatment of diarrhea. I'd already done so many diarrhea videos, but about different homeopathic medicine. So today I'll be talking about one of the polycrus remedy in the homeopathic system, where we use this remedy rarely, repeatedly also in the acute cases. Myself, Dr. Mega from Yogic Homeo Science. If you are not subscribed my channel, please do subscribe, because whenever I put a new video, you will be notified. Okay, without any delay, let's move on to our today's topic, that is homeopathic medicine for the treatment of diarrhea. The medicine which I am really dealing on today is Apis mellifica. Apis mellifica is also called as honeybee, and it is a medicine which is prepared from the honeybee. So if you are very much new to the Apis mellifica, you should know that it mainly acts on the cellular tissues, glands, skin, brain, and urinary systems. Heart and serous membrane also it acts, but it acts very much well on the cellular tissues and on the glands and the skin. Whereas how these people will be about to look. Apis mellifica people will be like bag like swelling under the lower eyelids will be there, and their face is always pale, waxy, and edematous face is there, and they will be always irritable. Their temperament is only irritable. And Apis mellifica patient are always an hot patient, so you should also consider on this thing. And it is also a remedy which is a right-sided remedy. It's a right-sided medicine. Symptom produced from right to left, that is that of opposite that of restox, means restox from left to right, and from above downwards is the lachesis. So Apis mellifica is from the right to left, right-sided medicine. Okay, we'll be talking about the keynotes. I had already said that it is a right-sided medicine, and there is a version for the tight bandage, just like the lachesis. Lachesis is having the downward side affinity. The Apis is having right side affinity. Lachesis is having a tight bandage aversion around the neck area. Here, all over the body, the Apis mellifica, they have aversion to the tight bandage. He is very much present in Apis. Apis is a great pain remedy. The character of pain is always burning, stinging, and soreness, suddenly going from one part to the another part. This kind of state you can know in the Calibike, Lacan, and Pulsatilla also. Apis is general, thirstless, except during the chill stage of intermittent fever. It is also a thirstless, especially in the dropsy. Extremely sensitive to touch, and they does not want to be even looked at. Edema, general or local, bag-like swelling, puffy swelling under the eyes is there. Under the lower eyes mainly. Skin alternatively dry, and they are always kind of sweaty, and they are cracky also. Feels suffocated, feels as if every breath could be his last breath. That kind of suffocation is there. Craving for cold in general, cold milk and sour things. Involuntary diarrhea with sensation as if anus was wide. Urine is scanty, frequent and painful. Sudden urging and straining for the urine is there. Irritates the last drop of the urine. The burning pain is very much seen in the Apis mellifica. What is the main symptom of Apis mellifica? The patient is very much um, cruel kind of thing, and they are always irritable. Drop things when they are handling them is a well marked kind of symptom. very much irritable, nervous, and hard to please, and they are very suspicious, and they are very like whereas the apis patient are so much very hard to please, and they really kind of very suspicious, and they does not even believe their own relatives like that, and they always are very scary person, and they always try to hurt others. And moving on to the diarrhea symptoms of apis mellifica. When the diarrhea starts, first one we will be talking about the causation. On the eruptive diseases on alcoholic people, especially if eruption is suppressed, that time also you can think of diarrhea sets in. How the second point will be how the stool is. Stool is watery, greenish, yellowish, slimy, contains mucus or bloody mucus, offensive and painless. Involuntary with every motion, as through the anus is wide open. You can also compare this with phosphorus. Constant oozing from the anus is present in apis mellificum, which the patient is always unconscious or unaware of. Even the oozing from the anus, the patient is not aware of, that much drowsy they will be. What happens before the stool? There is much grumbling of flatus, sudden grating pain in the rectum and urging. During stool, gripping tenesmus, rawness and soreness in the anus with much flutus. Frequent painful urination, nausea, vomiting, backache and frontal headache. After stool, what happens? There is rawness in the anus, heat and throbbing in the rectum, with sensation as if plugged. There is passage of blood, and the patient can even faint and even get exhausted because of so much of tiredness. Third point is what are the concomitant of diarrhea. Uh, no appetite, little or no thirst, tongue is shining, dry, red, cracked, sore, bruised, sore feeling of abdominal walls with excessive tenderness, urine frequent and scanty or suppressed urination is also seen. Next, moving on to the management purpose means what are the general modalities, aggravation and amelioration factors which make the symptom worst. After sleep, closed, warmth or heated room, from getting wet, touch, pressure, late in the afternoon, right side. What makes the apis mellifica patients better? In open air, uncovering, cold bathing, pains by cuffing, walking or changing position when sitting erect also. And this is all about the apis mellifica, which is highly indicated for the diarrhea. Apis mellifica is highly indicated for the skin complaints like urticaria, fever complaints like intermittent remittent fever, and diarrhea, urinary symptoms, and the eyes. So it is one of the polycrust remedy. It is very much important in the homeopathic practice, and if you are suffering with any kinds of symptom and the symptoms are matching to you, you can just take the apis in 30 potency, and repetition of dose can also be done. Okay guys, if you really like my videos, please do like and subscribe, and don't forget to press on the bell icon so that whenever I put a new video you will be notified. Have a nice day and a fantastic day.